In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your eBay gift card balance with clear and simple instructions that will have you managing your gift card funds in no time. Whether you're planning to make some exciting purchases or just keeping track of your spending, knowing how much you've got left on your gift card is essential, and it's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. First things first, you'll need to open up the eBay website or the app. If you're someone who uses a desktop or laptop, just head over to eBay's website using your preferred browser. For those who prefer using their phone or tablet, eBay's app is readily available, and the process is just as simple. Once you have eBay in front of you, what you're looking for is the gift card balance page. It might take a moment to navigate there if it's your first time, but you can usually find it under the gift cards section. If you're having trouble, a quick search in the help or support section can also direct you to exactly where you need to be. Once you've arrived at the gift card balance page, it's time to enter your gift card details. Now, every eBay gift card will have a specific card number and a unique PIN number, typically found on the back of the card. The card number is usually a long series of digits, so be sure to enter each number carefully to avoid any errors. Next, find the PIN number. Sometimes, you'll need to scratch off a protective covering to reveal the PIN. Make sure you type it out accurately, as this is crucial for accessing the right information. After you've entered both the gift card number and the PIN, you will want to double check to ensure all the information you entered is correct. Mistakes can easily happen with long sequences of numbers, so it's always a good idea to review them. Once you're certain everything is accurate, look for the button labeled Check Balance. With a simple click of that button, you should see the remaining amount on your gift card displayed on the screen. This provides you with helpful insight into how much more you can spend or help you track your past transactions. It's a quick check that can make planning your next purchase with eBay funds more efficient and hassle-free. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to check your eBay gift card balance. Remember, keeping an eye on your balance is always a good habit, whether you're an avid buyer or just occasionally shopping. This can help ensure that when you find that perfect item, you're informed and ready. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in for more tips and tutorials.